Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Black Just here, and I'm back at you with another video. So in today's video, I'm doing this cute asymmetrical bob using Brazilian wool. It's actually a crochet though. So kindly subscribe if you haven't, like this video, share, and drop a little comment. So I did my cornrow braids off camera, and don't mind the messiness. That's just a freestyle. It's going to be covered anyway. It doesn't have to be perfect. And have my side leave out because there's a side part, and also a few hairs in the front. So for this tutorial, I used one bundle of the Brazilian wool. I went ahead to cut them into pieces. So actually I cut them into different lengths from 10 inches to 20 inches. I really wanted to mimic a human hair kind of thing, and also to avoid getting shorter hairs when I get to the top. Otherwise I can't cut a perfect bob. So I'll go ahead and detangle and feather the ends, and we are ready to crochet. So with the crochet, I start with the 10 inches and I increase it as I progress. Also, I don't want it to look too bulky, so I take out small sections or small pieces of the Brazilian wool.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever.
So that's how it's looking after crocheting all the Brazilian wool in. As you can see, it's not bulky and the ends are thin. So now it's time for the important part, like cutting the bob. So I'll go section by section. So detangle and make sure everything is straight. Then you cut to your desire, your preferred length. I'm cutting the 10-inch bob. So when you get to the side, you tilt your head a bit, then you cut it diagonally. So at this point, you can leave it if you want it this way, but I want the ends to a little bit bump. So I'll go ahead and bump the ends, straighten and bump the ends.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So my natural hair, I'll first add some hair oil to it. Then use my wax stick as a heat protectant. I'll go ahead and silk straight my hair.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
So I'm done silk straightening, and this is really giving natural hairline. Natural hairline, like, come on. I add in some edges because why not? And we are good to go. So that's the final look. That's how it came out looking, and I'm really impressed. Like, it came out way better than I even thought, and I like it. It's cute. So let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, be smart, be beautiful, and be creative.